Hello, in this video I'll walk you through how to turn off Android without buttons. Maybe due to the fact that your buttons are damaged, you might need to use another method, which is why this method is best. All you have to do is swipe down, swipe all the way down. You see some options up there. Tap on the power option and you can see the option for power off. Swipe down. Let me show it to you again. Power button, then you tap on power off. It's as simple as that. So you can now select the photos you want to delete. And once you're done, Google will not be able to access your photos again.